Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana, and I am here at Disneyland today for a mental health day, a break from everything that's happened the last month or so. Um, just here enjoying the rides and having a really good time. I thought I would come on here really quickly and let you guys know what's going on. Enjoy the beautiful scenery with me of Disneyland. I want to make sure you guys can hear me. Hopefully you can hear me. If not, I'll be talking over this. So later on this week, we're going to be making low-pot jam. We're going to be doing some more canning things and food preservation things. And I'm going to get back on schedule for my channel. Life is good. We're both good. And just wanted to let you guys know how I'm doing and that everything's going okay. I'm here at the Tiki Room getting ready to go in and sit, having a lot of trouble with my back, but other than that, it's been a really nice day. Today's the last day that Splash Mountain is open, so that's been fun. So check this channel. I don't have a lot of videos posted here. In fact, I haven't been adding anything. I'm going to be adding some shorts, and that's about it. But check our other channel, More Fun Than Sitting at Home, for lots and lots of videos and shorts pertaining to Disneyland and Space Mountain's Splash Mountain's last day. So yeah, last day open. They're closing the ride forever, changing it to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Really excited about that. Kind of sad that the ride's going away, but other than that, it's pretty good. So just wanted to come on here and let you guys know, let you see me, that I'm doing okay, and we're going to be getting back into the swing of things here pretty soon. I'm also putting lots of stuff on Macari. If you guys want to go check out my Macari, it's in the link below. And I will see you guys soon, okay? Low pot picking is coming, video's coming, and the jam video is coming. So you guys will see that soon. Okay, so quick peek of Disneyland and the Tiki Room, and we're going to go. Okay, see you guys soon.